Hello friends, today I am going to explain volumetric efficiency of reciprocating air compressor. This is very important for exam point of view because it's many time repeated in your semester exam. So what is volumetric efficiency? This is nothing but it is the ratio of actual volume of air entering to the swept volume. That means you can say this, I am writing here. Volumetric efficiency of a compressor is defined as the ratio of free air delivered to the displacement of a compressor. You can say also it is also defined the ratio of effective swept volume to the swept volume. Here you can show here the diagram. Here is your effective swept volume, where is total air is enter. That means we can say this actual air enter in this diagram, and you can say this one is your v1, here is v3 and v1. That is volume is your swept volume, and this one is your clearance volume. So you can write effective volume, that one here is, you can write v1 minus v4. Here writing here v1 minus v4, and swept volume is v1 minus v3. You can write here one term here is also come. Here is C. C is nothing but is a clearance ratio. Clearance ratio is clearance volume to swept volume. I'm already told this is the clearance volume, and this one is your swept volume. So can write here is V3 by V1 minus V3. Yeah, you can also write VC by VS. VC is clearance volume, VS is swept volume. Now I am coming on the main equation. Volumetric efficiency you can write here V1 minus V4 by V1 minus V3. If V3 is add at separate in the upper part, then you can write V1 minus V3 plus V3 minus V4. Here is V3 is add or subtract, and downward is V1 minus V3. Then is here to cancel, you can write here 1 plus v3 minus v4 and by v1 minus v3. Now you can also write 1 plus v3 by v1 minus v3 minus v4 by v1 minus v3. Here you can also write 1 plus v3 v1 minus v3 minus v4 by v1 minus v3, and I am here also write v3 by v3. So you can write here also v1 1 plus v3 by v1 minus v3 minus v3 by v1 minus v3 into v4 by v3. 1 plus v3 is nothing but clearance ratio, and v1 minus v3 is nothing but swept volume. So vc by vs you can write k. Yeah, you can write c. I am here written k. Also he write k v4 by v3. You know this v1 by v2, p1 v1 power n equal to p2 by p2 into v2 power n. You can write here is diagram are given. This one is polytropic process, and this one is polytropic compression process, and this is one expansion process. So you can write with the help of diagram p1 v1 power n equal to p2 v2 power n. You can also write p3 v3 power n equal to p4 v4 power n. So you can also write here this one P3 by P4, you can, this is polytropic process, then you can write B4 by B3 power n. So also you can write this one in the pressure form. Now put the value of B4 by B3 in the main equation. So you can write NV equal to, volumetric efficiency equal to 1 plus K minus K P3 by P4 power n. But P3 is equal to P2 and P4 equal to P1. So in the diagram is, here is a P1 is equal to P4 and P2 equal to P3. So you can write here, same here. Now you can write volumetric efficiency is equal to 1 plus K minus K P2 by P1 power 1 by n. So this is our final expression of the volumetric efficiency of a single acting reciprocating air compressor. Thank you.